It's a known fact that videos help you stand out from the competition. Studies suggest that 90% of online consumers reported that a website with videos help them to make a decision to buy. In a system, you can add videos to your website as a design block, such as the one you can see on your screen here. Your customer can click on the play button and the video will start automatically. Now let's teach you how to add this design block. Once you land in your customized online module, click on the add section where you want to place your video on your website. Next, select video option. Now there are several video blocks present over here. Let's select this one. Once the block is loaded on your website, let's add a video. To add, click on add video button. Now enter your video URL over here. You can choose whether or not you want to play video automatically when your website loads by clicking on this toggle button. Once done, click on save. Now once you have uploaded your video, now let's move ahead and edit the block title. Now since I'm advertising a wall shelf video, let's give a title called wall shelves and we'll center align the title. Let's give it a good font type and I'll change the font color to this one. Done. Next, let's edit the title. I've already drafted the description with me, so I'll just copy paste it. And I will delete this section from here. Next, let's edit the button. So click on edit. First, let's center align it. Next, let's change the text. I'll name it as send inquiry. Now I'll change the text font. And I will change the button shape and color. Let's make it rounded. Let's keep it medium. And let's change the button color to this. Same like the title. Now let's link this button. This time I will link it to the inquiry form. To do that, you can directly click on add link button. And now let's select inquiry form. Now I have two forms over here. One is the default inquiry form and the second one is customer inquiry form, which I have created. So let's select this one and click on save. Again, click on save. Now I've linked this button to an inquiry form, so whenever my customer clicks on this button, an inquiry form will open up. It will take the customer's inquiry and I will receive it in my inquiry section. You can also provide the background for this block. I will keep it white because it goes well with my theme. Now once all the changes are done, now once you have saved the changes, the video block will appear as such to your customers. Whenever your customer clicks on this play button, the video will play, and also whenever your customer clicks on send inquiry button, your inquiry form opens up. Now this was all about how you add video block on your website.
We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, comment below or contact our support team directly. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.